Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Algebra Solution. Now we have to see this exponential problem. 4 raised to 4x by 4 is equal to 100. We have to find the value of x here. So let's start the solution. Solution. Four raised to power x divided by 4 equal to 100. Now we have to do here cross multiplication. Here we write 1 in the denominator of 100. Now cross multiplication, so 4 raised to power x equal to 4 into 100. Now we can write here 4 raised to power x equal to 4 into, we can write 100, 4 into 25 equal to also 100. So 4 raised to power x equal to 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 25. Then we have to write here, divide both sides by 16. Divide both sides by 16. So 16 will be cancelled. Here we get 4 raised to power x divided by 16 is a divided by 16 equal to 25. Now 4 raised to power x, 16 is a square of 4 equal to 25. Now we can write here a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n. Now we can continue this with this. Four raised to power x minus this 2 equal to 25. Equal to 25. Now we can write this. Now taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. We get here log of 4 raised to power x minus 2 equal to log of 25. Then we can write here log of a raised to power m equal to m log of a. Now we can solve this. X minus 2 into log of 4 equal to log of 25. Now divide here both sides by log 4. X minus 2 log of 4 divided by log of 4 equal to log of 25. Log of 4 will be cancelled. So here remains x minus 2 equal to log of 25. Log of 25 Here we have to divide by log of 4. Here also we have to divide by log of 4. Now we get here x minus 2 equal to log of 25 is a 5 square and log of 4 is a 2 square. Now x minus 2 equal to, here we can apply this 2 log of 5 divided by 2 log of 2. Here 2 will be cancelled. Now x minus 2 equal to log of 5 divided by log of 2. Now x equal to this minus 2 transfer this side, so plus 2 plus log of 5 log of 2 equal to 2 plus log of 5 to the base 2. Here we can apply which formula we have applied here, log of a log of b equal to log of a to the base b, log of a to the base b, log of to the base b. Now we can write here this is the value of log x equal to, this is the value x equal to 2 plus log 5 to the base 2. Check 4 raised to power x divided by 4 equal to 100. Now put here value of x, 4 raised to power 2 plus log of 5 to the base 2 divided by 4 is equal to 100. Is equal to 100. Now we have to find the value of a raised to power m plus n is equal to a raised to power m into a raised to power n. We have to apply this formula here. So we get here 4 square into 4 raised to power log of 5 to the base 2 divided by 4 equal to 100. Divided by 4 equal to 100. Now 4 square is 16 into 4 raised to power log of 5 to the base 2 divided by 4 equal to 100. Here 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Here 4 into 4 is a 2 square, log of 5 to the base 2 equal to 100. Here 4 into this log of 5 to the base 2 and this 2 goes to square of this one equal to 100. Now 4 into 2 raised to power log of, here 5 square is 25 by here 2 equal to 100. p raised to power log of p raised to power m. Here m and here p equal to m equal to m. 4 into 25 equal to 100. Now 25 multiplied 4 equal to 100 equal to 100. So this is LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so it is verified that x equal to value is given, that is the value of x equal to 2 plus log of 5 to the base 2. This is the value of x is verified. If you like the channel, if you like the video, so subscribe the channel, share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the whole video. Here x equals to 2 plus log of 5 to the base 2. Thanks.